Dude, how do you feel?
I still feel you.
We're gonna grab these things, Sonny.
You got this, bro. You got it, man. You can make it. You can do it, bro. You got it.
Yeah.
We need some tunes.
I'm feeling it, no stopping it. I can't lose. When I'm dealing it, I'm dropping it.
These are bee houses, houses for bees. It's got places for the bees, places for the bees to be a bee. This is bee house number B.2. Now, when you put them together, you gotta make sure they're very even, or else the consecutive connection of the internal vibe of these bees will be thwarted. Now, 1.5 completes the package.
Hi, Alex.
We're currently sitting at about 30 degrees at night and then 40 degrees during the day, which is the acceptable, livable temperature for bees. Therefore, it is time to install our beehives.
You need our little pry tool to get the can out.
It's spring in Alaska and the snow is still on the ground because it takes a while to melt. I think we're a couple weeks away from all the snow being gone. It won't be long before things start to grow and the bees have pollen to create honey. We start them out with sugar water, sugar honey, that's kind of the general term. That gives the bees something to eat, some fuel, some food, to be able to create their honeycomb.
I feel like an alien, or a, what do you call them, dudes that go to the moon? Astronaut.
Okay, are you ready, Mom?
So is it necessary to take 3 out like we've been doing?
It was helpful.
Okay. And you don't have to get them all out. Like you can, they'll find their way out.
Each one of the hive inserts has a honeycomb pattern on it, but the bees build out about 1/4 inch or so outside of that to then put honey in. We want to give them a head start on building the honeycomb so that when the flowers are growing and the pollen is here, they can start producing honey.
There's a bee on his head.
His name's Phil.
Hey!
Somebody used the wrong beehive. It's the one with the holes in it. It's not going to be okay. Okay, let's get these guys out of here. I'm not sure what got into me, but I decided, wouldn't it be cool if we had pigs?
What are you looking at over there, Eamon?
I'm looking at a pig.
What are we going to name him?
Call him Boss.
What are you doing? That is some pig.
Boss.
He's 40 pounds already. I did a ton of research about the type of pig that I wanted and settled on Tamworth, a red-haired pig out of like Northern Ireland or something. We need a pig that can dig up roots and vegetables and crap because we have all of this timberland that we just want to like turn into cropland. Pigs.
It's a boy, right?
Yeah. There we go. Let's do some water.
Most of us had a dog or cat, you know, but the idea of getting a pig or a sheep or a goat or, you know, some kind of farm animal seems like some kind of way different thing. And so most of us don't do it. I'm kind of excited that we're just jumping in and we're gonna start raising this pig. He's gonna be the daddy pig. So we're gonna get a few more females once he's big enough that he can be able to mate with and therefore have tons of piglets, which we'll sell the piglets, raise them for meat. So it's the start of much more to come. And it gets us another step towards being sustainable. Sustainability is gonna be really interesting to figure out in Alaska because we have 6 months of winter We're just coming out of it. We're just getting to where we can actually start to grow things. It's a little bit mind-boggling to me to think about all the things we're gonna have to do to be able to get to the point of total self-sufficiency. We're just gonna take it one step at a time. So our first couple of steps in the direction of sustainability is bees, Boss the Hog, and chickens.
We're about to let chickens out in free range.
Why are we doing that?
I don't know.
All right, so we are going to free range them for 15 minutes. We haven't ever free ranged our chickens, so it's gonna take a little bit of time for them to get used to it. And we've got a feed bucket full of all types of treats. And after 15 minutes, I'm gonna call them to me, and ideally, they're gonna go back into the cage. We're having to train our dogs and our cat on the chickens as well, so it's gonna take a while for them to get used to it. So today's day one.
Beautiful grass. Outside you go and roam.
Leave it open. I'm gonna set the timer for 15 minutes. And here, how about this? Let's give them some sunflower seeds. Yeah, just toss it. One like this. Here, chickens. Here, chickens.
Oh my goodness.
They're out. Going. Oh, they're eating the grass. Oh. That is what they want. Yes. Good girl.
Mama. Chickens.
Good girl.
Oh, look at the chickens.
Oh, they're.
Welcome to the world, chicken. Hey, what's cool is this young bird? Yes. Look at the young fern seedling. Here, chicken.
Notice how Rose is not looking at them. A good livestock guardian dog will observe everything around them except for what they're protecting. If they stare at whatever they're protecting, then it means they're eyeing it to hunt it. It's their predatory instincts kicking in. So you want a dog to completely ignore the animals that they're guarding.
Mama.
Yes, good girl,
Hey,
Rose.
chicken.
Well, baby, big reveal. I'm excited, nervous, excited. I'm excited. Oh, baby. Nice and fat and happy, and nice and crusty on the outside, and we can't cut it yet. The rule is you gotta let it cool completely, which is at least an hour. But that's beautiful.
You have never had better sourdough bread than hers. It's moist in the middle, it's got that airy, bubbly texture, and it's got the crispy, crunchy crust on the outside. I mean, it's good plain.
Still warm? Isn't that against the rules? I broke them. Talk to me.
In every single way, I feel like our farm is just starting to come alive.
We just got to get a little Book of Mormon. Sit here. Now you see. And God said, let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven. I suppose you all could consider yourself as some borderline fowl. Not full fowl, more like half fowl. And God created whales and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. Y'all are good. God said it. You hear that? Come here. Come here, buddy. You're good.
Well, I think
God said it. And God blessed them, saying, be fruitful and multiply. Hey, brother. Be fruitful and multiply. God said it, not me.
Be.
All right? Hey, where'd you go? Come on. Work with me. Oh, there you are. Hey, brother. And fill the waters in the seas and let